Hello everyone, thank you for being here today. My name is Ogusan. I am founder of NanoceuticalTech. I'm really excited to talk to you about something new and the cutting edge technology for developing new strategies with nanotechnology to solve big problems in the healthcare system. Let me explain why it is important and what we are working on and what we are changing. Wound care is an important point of the healthcare system because the wound might be associated with any problem and it might be an outcome of any different situation, and even a small cut or a burn or maybe a chronic problem, a chronic wounds is a serious problem with the healthcare system, like the diabetic ulcers or etc. And the methods that we are using, the traditional methods, are not very successful, especially the gauges, the wound dressings or etc. They do not always give the best outcome of this approach. Also, for the drugs, the story is the same, because the drug that we give doesn't always reach the site of action, and it may not be as effective as we want, and we may need to give high amounts of the drugs, and also they can cause side effects, and these issues will cause a frustration and the loss of effort and the a poor outcome for both the patient and also the healthcare system professionals, doctors, nurses, etc. And the health system, the pharmacoeconomy is we are expensive, high amounts of money to overcome these problems, and the patients suffer more than much more longer than they should, and we are here to change that. At NanoceuticalTech, we are building a new nanocarrier system, advanced technology combined with vascular systems, and our product is not only as a classical wound dressing, also it heals the wound. The benefits of our product: keeps the moisture inside, fights the bacteria, and helps to cells to regrow for the healing process of the wound, and it decreases the risk of the infection and shortens the duration of the wound healing, and helps the patient's healing process and the life quality. For the drugs that we use tiny nanocarriers. These nanocarriers are like a GPS coordinated carriers, and it gives us the best outcome and the best optimal dose response correlation for these drugs. With these nanocarriers, we can use smaller doses, but we can get a much higher effective outcomes, and this will give us the decrease the doses and avoid the side effects, and also it will give us a decreased cost for the treatment. And we have been working on this system since 2023, and we already have prototypes, and we have tested them, and also we have started selling them. So, who needs these products? Everyone from hospitals to burn victims, patients who are suffering from the chronic wound problems, like the diabetic patients, even the soldiers in the battlefield, in case of an emergency, in the tough surroundings. This will give us two options: first, cover the wound as a wound dressing, and also help with the healing process. And also, this is an important field of area for the pharmaceutical companies, which investigate and invest a lot in this field, especially for the diseases like cancer treatment, when the precision is important, because we can apply these nanocarriers to any kind of drug to target specific tissue, specific indication. But the wound care market is huge, and it's like around globally is like $3 billion in the and it's expected to grow every year annually. And especially chronic wound care is important. Therefore, this product will be beneficial for anyone at any age and any kind of wound. So, why we are different from other rivals in the market? Because our tech is a next level, and we use nanofiber patches, and we manufacture with an electrospinning method, which is suitable for the scale up, and we create a super tiny threads which heal you. And we also use our drugs in the carriers like liposome, nanoparticles, and we can deliver these drugs to spot on site of action. And it's not easy to copy this process because we have years of experience, and we have a research, special equipment, and we have a know-how that differentiates us from the others. We know that we are working with, we are competing with big names like Smith and Nephew, Camurus, and but our focus is on nanotechnology, which gives us an edge because their product is mainly wound dressings. When it comes to the selling marketing channel, it's easy because we sell it to hospitals, our partners in the drug pharmaceutical industry, and we license our tech. We mix the B2B to B2C, and we believe in that. We have seen much people struggle with the slow healing process, with the bad treatments, and we have to make healthcare faster, safer, and cheaper. Thank you for your time and listening. See you around.